Hi besties, today we are making shito. Guys, this is a new discovery. After watching this recipe, I'm sure you will not go back to your old shito recipe again because this is very easy. It is not your old traditional way of making shito. This is easy, it doesn't splatter. Guys, I don't want to talk plenty. Let's get started. So the ingredients are anise seeds, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cloves, calabash nutmeg, negro pepper, fennel seeds. These are the dry spices I will use, okay? And I have black pepper over there. That container is black pepper. All right, so this is the black pepper I'm talking about, okay? Guys, this is shrimp powder, okay? And then I have shrimps. I'll blend it, make it flaky, and then add it to the shrimp powder. And then I have it's sour. Yes, yeah, that is herring powder. And then I have flaky powdered pepper. You can see that, yes, because I'm gonna make rough shito. This shito recipe is not a smooth shito car. It's gonna be rough. And this is my seasoning. I have my shrimp seasoning and salt. I have my garlic. Yes, you need garlic for your shito. And I have my ginger over there. Yes, so I have my onions and then my tomato paste for this recipe. Guys, let's not waste time because this recipe is gonna be boom. So this is my grinder, so I'll go ahead and grind my spices first. Okay, so this is the calabash nutmeg. You need to break it. So I added all the spices I mentioned earlier and I blended them together. Okay, so if you don't have this grinder, you can use the manual grinder, or you can use anything that will help you grind it. Okay, it is not necessarily using this. So I grinded my shrimp too. Okay, so this shrimp is not smooth. Okay, this is how I wanted it, kind of flaky in the shito. Then I went ahead and then I started chopping my onions. Guys, the secret start from here. Do you know where I discovered this recipe? Debsy's Delight. Yes, Debsy's Delight. Thank you so much for this recipe. Thank you so much. So you will chop all your vegetables. Okay, so my garlic, ginger, I chopped everything. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to fry them. It's funny, right? Okay, so we will start by frying the onions. Guys, you see, our traditional way of making shito, you would have to blend everything together and then you'd have to cook it till the water dissolve before you that is long process. This is the shortcut way of making shito. So as you can see, you will fry till golden brown as you are seeing. Then you add your ginger. Guys, if I tell you how smelly the oil is, guys, it smells so nice. Yes, so I went ahead and I fried my garlic as well. The oil smells so nice. You can scoop some aside for your different recipe. Yes, it smells so nice. It smells so nice. So after frying, I went in with my tomato paste. Okay, so I added my tomato paste. You are going to fry this tomato paste till it becomes, that dark brown, flaky. Please make sure you don't burn it, I beg you. So after that, I went in with my powdered pepper, and then you see there's no water, so it's like dry, everything is dry. So with the help of my hand blender, I blended my onion and garlic. Okay, I didn't want it smooth, I just want it rough, because I said I'm making rough shito, not a smooth shito. Yes, so you see the shito is given. We are not done, but it is given already, and there's no water in the shito that was splattered, that would This is so easy. So I added my herring, and my herring too is flaky. Okay, then I went in with my shrimp powder as well. Guys, this is easy. I didn't spend time in the kitchen at all. I'm like, oh god, recipe where oh god. So guys, please, I mean, try it. When you try this, you will not go back to your old traditional way of making shito. Then I added my spices. Okay, the one I grinded, I added it to it, and guys, come and see the way my kitchen is smelling. Oh, it smells so nice. Then I went in with the shrimp cubes and then the salt as well. Hey, I'm really enjoying the process because it's stress-free, or no stress at all. And the good thing I like about it is no splatter. Okay, you're not going to give yourself extra work after the shito to clean your kitchen. Your kitchen is messed up. No. So I went in with my black pepper. Okay, so this is the shito. Guys. You can see. Can you see that? It smells so nice, and that's exactly how I want it. So I will leave it till the next day. Okay, so guys, this is the next day. This is the next day. Guys. So I went ahead and then I filled my bottle with the shito. Please, this is a gift idea. Okay, Mother's Day. Oh. Yes, so you can prepare this and go and give it to your mom-in-law, anybody you call a mom. Okay, so there's a gift idea. Me dear, I'm going to give this to some people. All right, so I enjoyed some and it was so nice. I enjoyed some with my bangkun. Guys, this is exactly how I want my shito, the flaky type, which you can eat without fish. Yes, sometimes emergency, you are so hungry, there's no fish, there's nothing, and you have flaky shito full of herring and shrimp. Guys, won't you enjoy? You will, right? So guys, please, if this video makes sense to you, please subscribe, like and share for me for more interesting recipes. Bye.